Easily convert your broken Ford or Mercury brake release handle from this to this. For many years, Ford Ranger, Ford Mercury Mountaineer, and Ford Explorer produced parking brake release handles on their vehicles that broke apart easily. Unfortunately, there hasn't been an easy fix for this problem. Although there have been a few options when this has occurred, consider the following. You can continue to use the metal L-rod that remains after the handle breaks. You can tussle with replacing the brake release handle assembly and spend at least $100 on parts, hoping that the cheap brake release handle on the assembly does not break apart again. Or you can spend time and money trying to rig your own handle by buying parts from the hardware store that won't work unless you saw off the end of the L-shaped metal bar that is remaining. However, all that hassle is over. Now you can install a new brake release handle replacement in less than a minute. It looks good. You don't have to reach down as far as you did with the original handle to release the parking brake. It's inexpensive, and it should last the rest of the life of the vehicle. And it's available on eBay. Just search for Ford or Mercury parking brake release handle. Thanks for watching the Untitled channel, and be sure to watch my music videos too.
Just click here to subscribe to the Untitled channel. Well, what are you waiting for? Subscribe already. Why don't you?